if you are accepting all the sins given to you during your lifetime in a body in a relaxed mode. You are having no attachment inside with anyone. You don't have anything inside. Inside, if it is pure, life is pure, conscious is pure, soul is pure, not having any shadow of subconscious mind body, you will be like pure, going back to the super pure, you are back home. No more death or birth. Here the birth is nothing but to clear your all karmas and your desires and go back to your home. But the main thing, when at the death you have the same desires and the good bad karma, again you are coming to the next birth. So your birth in human being again fail. Please throw light on it. What is death? Is it good or bad? What is devotion? What is ego? What is death? First we have to understand what is birth. Why we are in this world, why we are born. What are that words like devotion and ego? We are in this world. There is always a reason behind everything. If someone is poor, not having food enough, someone is rich, having food enough, clothes, shelter enough, poor, not having food or shelter or cloth even, someone is healthy, someone is sick, someone is enjoying, someone is weeping, some are very sad, some are less sad, some are in bliss. What actually is the game of this life? What is the birth and what is the death? First, if we know the beginning, then only we can come to the concluding. Unless we know who is going to die, it will be difficult for us to understand the word death. So first we have to understand who is going to die. Naturally, one who is born is going to die. So who is born? Who is born to whom we say he died? What you say about the word you use, the death, for whom? For anything that lives, that moves. Because you are always saying death, especially to the human being. Even there is a life in the trees, plants, there is a life in the insects, there is a life in the birds, there is a life in the animals. But you say human being is dead. You use the word death mainly for the human being. You never say trees are dying. You never say insects are dying. You never say birds are dying, animals are dying. The word death, what you say when life comes out from the body. Or you say that death is of everything in you. Because you say yourself that you have taken birth. When you say there is a birthday, this birthday is of whom? This birth is of the one who is going to die. So you have to understand first who has taken the birth, because one who is going to die has taken the birth. Trees and plants, life is there. Voltage is 20 degree. 20 degree voltage in the trees. Don't think that life is not there in the trees and plants. The moment you cut it, it gets dried. It dies. But you're not bothered about if any leaves you break, any flower you break from the branch. You are not bothering about that flowers are dying. The moment you take them out from the plant, they dies. The moment you cut the trees, they dies. The moment you break the leaves, they dies. The moment you take the branches, they dies. Life is there inside them, but their senses are only 20%. They have 20% only life inside. You never bother when you walk. There are ants or something on the way getting under your feet. You are crushing them. Insects are dying. You never bother about. I have killed so many insects. You never bother about. Because of you, many vegetables and fruits are coming from the trees and plants. The moment they are taken out from there, they start dying. So that's why they are kept in the cold storages. So in the cold storage they remain alive till they reaches to you. You eat to them. In the home also you keep in the fridge, otherwise they die immediately. There is a life in the fruits, in the vegetables. There is a life in the insects. There is a life in the birds. There is a life in the animals. You never bother about of death of these all. Birds are dying, not bothered. Animals are dying. You're not bothered about these deaths. But you're definitely bothered about the human being death. Today, because of corona, so many people are dying. It is coming in the news every night, but nowhere coming that so many animals die, so many birds die, insects dies, trees dies. Maximum news of the human being we take. So actually, what is the death? Death of whom? When one life comes out of the womb of the mother, when she became the separate unit, cut it from the navel, it became the separate unit. The moment it is cut from the navel, see that body is dead lying. The moment immediately it is cut, it is dead. Because till now was running through the breath of the mother. So it is dead body. But immediately doctor, what does he do? He will just push. Unless the newly born baby cries, they are bothered. So it is like the energy, the soul, with that subconscious mind body had come to enter in that body to make it now the separate unit. entered in this world of birth and the death. The moment a baby takes the birth, death starts following. This body which was dead, body born is dead. But the moment life enters in, soul energy enters in, conscious energy enters in, with the subconscious mind body. What is subconscious mind body? It is a roll, like picture roll coming to the theater. Then they are putting on the projector and the film is going on the parda. And there are the viewers of that picture. Even those who are the artists in that movie, hero or heroine and all, they sit together for the first time, see the premiere show, how they have acted. When they are watching the movie, if they acted well, they are enjoying. They enjoy that all scenes. If acting is not good, they are not happy. The film is not so fine. Nothing. So likewise, when someone comes out of the womb, not someone, you or me and all in the world, let it be anyone, let it be any big minister, the richest man, the big star, when all comes from the mother womb, they are cut from the navel. The moment it is cut, the breath given to that infant stopped. So it is dead. Dead body born. Immediately, the subconscious mind body with the conscious body enters in that body. The moment the infant cries, we say, be happy. Given birth to the son, birth to the daughter, and they start being happy. And sometimes what happens, that conscious body and the subconscious mind body had not come, and the body remains dead. Then after 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes try, nothing is coming. Doctor says, I am sorry. You have given death, dead body birth. The birth you have given, the infant is dead. You have given birth to the dead body. Everyone gives the birth to the dead body. It is only the subconscious mind body and the conscious waiting outside the navel. The moment cut gets into, immediately they starts crying. If not crying, they say it's the dead baby born. This is the story. You are born dead. If you think you are this body, your name given to this body by your parents, if you think death of this body is there, then you are wrong. Death is not of this body. This body is already dead. If you say, I am something, I am engineer, I am doctor, I am some big businessman, I am big minister, I am big star, if you think in that way, then you are wrong. Because how dead body can be something? Have ever seen any dead body working? Even today you go to Moscow, the body is lying of Lenin, body is lying, same Lenin dead body is lying for years together. They are spending lakhs of rupees on that body to maintain it. People are standing in the queue to see that dead body, to see the dead Lenin. In fact, everyone is born dead. So who is dying? Who is dying? The one who is, you say, dying is already the dead, was already the dead. So this is only one has to understand one to whom you say is dead is not dead. He was dead. He is dead. He will be dead. You can say you are dead body. You were dead body. You will be dead body. If you take this body as yours, that I am this. If you take this body as your, then you are dead body. And if you are attached to this dead body, while at death also, you will be coming back to this death world again with the punishments of 84 lakh imprisonments till the death. That is what insects, trees, plants, birds, animals, and then again the next chance. So this story is nothing. This play is nothing, because the human birth is a play, is a game. We had made this game dirty game. We had made this game the dirty game. In fact, this game is a very good game. But we had executed our own rules and regulations. Whatever our brain started, that all we had taken, but we had never obeyed the rules, regulations of this game being human body. The game in human body, if you understand, then you are never dead. You will never die. You cannot die. You are alive. You were alive. You are alive. You will remain alive. That is what Krishna said to Arjuna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. While in the battlefield, when Arjuna got perplexed, disturbed, shocked, if I fight with these all people, these all are relating to mine, they all are mine, my cousins, my maternal uncles, my gurus, my aunt, so many people are involved, they're all living at home, all lady, my relationships, my grand uncle, my grand auntie, so these all when he saw in the battlefield, he started saying to Krishna, his friend, that I will not fight by. It is better let us withdraw. It is better if I go to the hell. Even I will beg. I don't need the 5 villages even. I will beg rather than making them to kill. Then what Krishna said? Are you fool? Are you fool? Firstly, you should have not decided to come to the battlefield. Once you have come, then what the all talking you are going on? When Krishna said you should not have understand, you should not have thought about coming to here. This was that you should not have thought of coming to this world to take birth. What Krishna said to Arjuna, you should not have thought of coming to the battlefield. That is what that you should not have thought of coming to this death world. Why you have come? And once you have come, now fight. This whole life is the fighting. Human being birth is nothing but the fight. Fight in the play. India-Australia plays. In the cricket, they are fighting. But that fight, if that fight is cordial, that fight is friendly, then they enjoy the game. Life itself is a game. If you are playing this game in a very cordial and friendly way, then you'll enjoy this life, enjoy this game, and you'll be out of this game. And if you make it the war means getting disturbed, shocked, always sad, then you are not winning the game. Even you become richest man, you go to the top chair, you be the biggest attraction in the world, you have lost the game. At last, the result will be you are defeated. You are defeated. Reason behind, you have not played the game well. The game between the outer, this body, and the inner, that conscious body, in between, to finish off the game of subconscious mind body. Subconscious mind body is your last birth, collection of your desires and the good and the bad karmas. That roll with the conscious body like a transport plane with the luggage inside, with the cargo inside. Likewise, conscious body, the soul body is nothing but a plane bringing the subconscious mind body is nothing but your collection of desires and the good bad karma in your previous human birth. So that comes the moment this body instrument comes out of the womb, that subconscious mind body goes inside with the conscious body, and now film starts. Film starts. Immediately, the subconscious mind body goes on the projector. Projector is your body, and in that, this outside body, parda, this is parda, on which this film starts moving. And during the lifetime, from the birth to the death, if you understand, this is just the game, a very friendly game, friendly match between the outside body and the inside conscious body. In between, movie is going on, and if you are in the relaxed mode, sitting on the chair, just watching the game, you are the observer of the game, like one who has played the role. When role comes to the picture is completed, role comes to the theater, they put on the projector, they sit in the hall and see their movie. So this is your movie only, which is already now on this parda, the body. Body is nothing but a parda, instrument to clear your all subconscious mind body picture. When subconscious mind picture is over, and when there is no role, how hall will operate the movie? So hall will be of no use. Hall is only cinema hall till the roles are coming. When roles are not coming, cinema hall is not there. This is hall now. Over. Cinema hall will be destroyed. So this your body is nothing. You can say it is the cinema hall only. You are the observer. You are the observer. And all the artists are in the movie which will be coming outside. What you desired, your role in last birth, what you desired, and how you react, either in the sad mode or in the relaxed mode. When you are in sad mode, that picture scene was not finished, that scene will come again. Like you were sad while living with your parents, with your husband or the wife, with the children, with your business, with your body, sickness or anything. That even you have faced in your last life, again you will face in this life. Again. If you are not in relax, every karma will be in the reaction again. Again it will be coming back, and you have to face again that karma. Whatever is going on today, if you are not in relaxed mode, same you will come in next birth to face it. So you have to be very much in relax in watching the movie on this parda, on this body. So you have to understand this. If you understand the role of this body, role of this dead body, then automatically you will go back to the conscious body. And conscious body, the soul body, takes the Supreme Soul to your back home, where there is no dead body, there is only the immortal bodies are there. These all Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Guru Nanak, Ram Paramahansa, Sai Baba, Mira, Sahjo, Lalla, Kabir, Farid, Laos, Socrates, and Ibrahim, and all these people are there with the immortal body, the body which never dies, because that is complete the energy body. energy never dies. So that supreme energy, you have to understand that this body is the dead body. The word you say that body is dead, you are always saying he is dead, she is dead. Who is that he? Who is that she? Who is that he and who is that she? Because he and she remains there. Even the word when you use, they are dead. At the same time, on the birth also, if he or she not cried, yani if you would not have cried at that time in the beginning of the birth, then you are dead only. Then you must have gone to the dust again. Why you are grown up today? Because they says you are on the birth now. So what is the birth actually? Birth is nothing but the combination of the conscious body to the soul body. It is like battery to your mobile. If there is no battery in the mobile, what mobile is? Mobile is dead. When battery is attached to the mobile, it is the mobile working now. The moment battery goes off and they say there is no battery available now, let it be an instrument may cost 10 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 1 crore also. But the moment there is no battery, that 1 crore instrument is of like 1 rupee, no, rupee, nothing else. So the main thing is that inside this body, you have to understand what actually who has taken the birth. Conscious body is one, body is second, both joints, you say birth, birth of a child. Then you say death of the child. This conscious body is coming back. From where it came, it is going back. In between, there is a subconscious mind body which is made by you. Which is made, God had given you freedom to either store the thoughts, store the desires, or you don't store. Just accept everything and relax. Accept your all old desires and your good bad karma and relax. Then this subconscious mind body which is coming in between will go off. Means you will not get the sandwich, you will get just the 2 sliced toast. You put something in between and you eat. You are very fond of sandwich. So your life, you not to make the sandwich. Because sandwich are tasted by the instrument body. But conscious body is beyond the sandwich taste. So you have to just throw the sandwich. Let the sandwich remain with the outer body. Don't make it your life as a sandwich. The moment it becomes sandwich, the subconscious mind body comes in between the two bodies. Your life is nothing but failed. The role what was to be given to you, you are not accepted and relaxed. You are always weeping, sad. Why it is happening? Why it had happened? Why my son is not doing? Why my daughter is not doing? Why he is not understanding? Why she is not understanding? Why my husband is abusing me? Why my wife is beating me? Why this thing? Why that thing? Why? Why I don't have the money? Why my body is so serious? Why I am not able to do? Why? Why remains 5 minutes, not the problem. You want to take some decision, not the problem. But when why stores inside, in your subconscious mind body, and here panic starts, tensions what you say, the gone. You are coming to the next dead body birth. You say the birth of you, it is not the birth. You were dead, you are dead, you will be dead. Because you are not understanding that you are not that what you are thinking about. You are not the instrument. Instrument is instrument. Instrument is expired only. When we say that instrument life is there, instrument life means instrument can bear the life up to this time only. Or in other words, you can say your life in the body is all selected as per your desires and the old birth, your good and bad karma. Your life, your period is given to you with the last birth desire and the good or bad karmas. So on the day the time is over, the conscious body will come out. Conscious body will withdraw from the body which came at the time of birth, and automatically you will fall down. Automatically you will fall down. And why I am saying you? Because you are taking your body as you. We are attached to this body, and this body is nothing but to play, just to play whatever we asked for in our last birth. We asked for something in this world, some desires which had come now, but now you want more something to that. In the world, whatever is happening with you is all your karmas, what you did in your last birth, but you are weeping, you are always not satisfied. So these are all your emotions of being sad or the happy one. When you are coming happy in emotions, it means you are going to weep. If you are dancing at birth, you will definitely weep at the death. Because if you are dancing at birth, there must be the dance at the death. Don't take it as one, sad or happy. Because the body was never alive. Body was never alive. You were dead, you are dead, you will be dead. So where is the death comes? That is what Krishna is saying to Arjuna in the Mahabharata. That where is the death? You are saying they all are going to die. You are a fool. They were, they are, they will remain. Because they are attached to this dead body. And those who are connected to the dead body will come in this dead world. But you are my friend, a dearest friend. So I am giving you the advice and the suggestions. So better you move, better you withdraw from this body and just go at the same point when you were born. When you will see that, then you will see all this movie what is going on, where you say they are my cousin, they are my woman, they are my father, they are my husband, wife, and this thing, that thing. Nothing is yours. This is just the game. Like a game is going on in India team. Dhoni comes from Jharkhand, Tendulkar comes from Mumbai, and here and there they join together, represent India. After the game is over, they are going back to their home. Likewise, there is nothing like yours. When you say my, nothing is my. Because you do not know, dead body have never any relationships. It is just the game. If you say mobile instrument and battery you put and mobile starts speaking, do you think this mobile is speaking? Is the mobile attaching to you? Is mobile weeping for you? You weep for your mobile. When your mobile is becoming some problem, you are weeping for mobile. But have ever you seen your mobile is weeping for you if you are not touching it? Have ever you seen that your laptop is weeping for you? You are weeping for your laptop. Because they knows, mobile knows, laptop knows that we are dead. This is the game. But the main problem is these solids. Insects, birds, animal knows that we are dead. So that's why even in the mutton shop, chicken shop, they are taking food. Even he is putting that knife. He is sharpening the knife. They are in front. They are taking all food there. Because they know we are dead and we are under punishment. We will be cut to go into somebody's mouth. So they knows. But only human being not knowing. Remember it. It is only the human being is not aware of that I am dead body. Animal knows, trees knows, birds knows, insects knows. But the main problem is that they cannot be liberated. They are under the punishments. It is like one who had committed the crime and had been jailed. He knows everything about the one. But they cannot be liberated because they are in the jails. Like you are now even knowing about, you are not getting liberated. See, many years I am crying on it. For many years I am shouting for you. Still you are not able to understand 100% that you are a dead body. And dead body relationships are all dead. But you are so much attached to everything around. You are so much attached to your children, to your parents, to your sisters, brother, your business, your shop, your office, your car, your money, your body. You are attached. You never understand this is the game. After the game is over, all will be going to their home back as per their karma and the desires. So you do whatever work given to you with this instrument. What you are doing for your children, you are not making any gratefulness. What you are doing for your husband is not something you are doing big. You are doing some for your husband, you are not doing something big. It is all the karmas and the desires in the previous birth which you are facing today. Nothing here is going beyond that movie scenes. If some director is making the movie, whatever going in the role, he is knowing all about it. And when movie is going on, he knows these all are the roles I have just cleared. And this all, the story is in you, your movie. You asked for that, director agreed to it. And now you on the movie, when movie is going on, you are weeping. You are weeping. Then what the director will do? What the God will do? Is the God wrong for you? You complain to the God then? You are not given me this, that. God says, are you fool? Last birth you asked for, I have given to it. Every birth you make the same damn thing, same damn mistake. Every birth you ask for more, more, more. And always you are coming, getting yourself disturbed, sad. When will you understand? Just accept one life and get rid of this death and birth world. Here the birth is nothing but to clear your all karmas and your desires and go back to your home. But the main thing, when at the death you have the same desires and the good bad karma, again you are coming to the next birth. So your birth in human being again fail. Again fail. So you come with the sandwich at birth, but you have to be just with not in the sandwich. Because sandwich, if you become, you will come next birth again. So in between that subconscious mind body, your desires and the good bad karma body is to be crushed. Is to be crushed. How it will be crushed? If you are accepting all the sins given to you during your lifetime in a body in a relaxed mode. You are having no attachment inside with anyone. You don't have anything inside. Inside, if it is pure, life is pure, conscious is pure, soul is pure, not having any shadow of subconscious mind body, you will be like pure, going back to the super pure, you are back home. No more death or birth. The word death is nothing but you say the life withdraws from the body. Your birth is nothing, life coming to this body. It is like battery coming to the mobile, battery going out from the mobile. So who is dead and who is alive? Combination of the life to the body, we say it the birth. Withdrawing of the conscious, the life body, soul body from this dead body, we say it the death. Nothing else. This is the combination. So you have to understand what is actually the death. Death is death. What was is will be. Life was, life is, life will be. Life will go back to its super power station. Subconscious mind body will go back to the clock room to come to the next birth again in this human body. Like when someone is jailed, someone is jailed. In the jail, what the jailer does? If he is having all item, watch, mobile, anything with him, they will keep all these things in the locker. So at the time of that release, when he is completing his jail, they are given back all that items. It is the same. If you are coming with all that items, and while going, the difference in the jail, outside the materialistic jail and that jail, here you can destroy all that what has come to you while you are entering in this jail. This birth is nothing but a big jail. This is big jail. Don't think the people in the jail are jailed. The more jail is for them, those are out of the jail. In the jail, they are relaxing. They have accepted, I have committed the crime. And they are sitting there for 6 months. After, if they are jailed for 20 years, they know. After 6 months, they get normal. But the main jail is for the people, those who are outside. One mother with the children. One father with the children. Anyone outside is suffering more than the one who is in the jail. So you are in the big jail than in the jail people. So this life itself in any body is a jail. Jail in the insects, in the birds or the animals or the trees is nothing. They cannot get liberated. They had been given life imprisonment till the death. And in all the birds. But in human being we have the chance. We have the sky component with us, sky element with us, means brain, to think about, to get liberated or come back to the dead body. If you come with the subconscious mind body, at death, desires and the old bad good karma, then you are coming back again in this dead body. So you are dead. You are dead. Why you think that you are alive? So nothing. That's why at last when somebody is there, you say, he is dead. How is dead? He is there. Lenin is still lying in the Moscow. Same in the coat, pant and hat. Same. Like hero. The body, if you say is dead, you are wrong. That was dead, that is dead, that will remain dead. The main is, the conscious body comes, joins it, and with that, the chip, you can say, subconscious body chip comes. If there is no chip in your mobile, then what will happen? Will you be operating anything? That is the chip with the number comes. Then your mobile starts giving you all the functions. Likewise, your subconscious mind body is like a chip with the all informations of your previous birth. So whatever is going on in your life, just you take it granted, I was so bad man in my last life. Is something coming, happiness or goodness for you, you just think I was so good man also. So no one is completely bad, no one is completely good. Good and bad, both parts are there which makes the life. That's why life in this human body is always playing the two parts, two roles. So when you are relaxed in both the sides, in the profit or the loss, honor or the dishonor, birth or the death, you are beyond this body now. No more coming in this world. Subconscious mind body crashed. Now you will be going not in the sandwich form, you will go like a separate two pieces, just jammed or toasted. Nothing else. So make your life in that way. Because the subconscious mind body is our habit for many births, and whole society, whole country, whole world, your family, your parents and everybody is giving you the same teachings for the dead body. All are giving the complete teachings belongs to you of the dead body. Nobody talks about the energy body. Energy body is nothing, just a current to this body. That energy body will take back you to the God home from where you started. But that will only take unless you clear your all the punishments. That will not take you unless you clear all the punishments, unless you clear your subconscious mind body, all your desires to fulfill and all that karmas to clear. It is like no one will take you from the jail to your home unless you clear all your punishments. Suppose someone says he is in Mumbai jail for 2 years, then there is a punishment in Jodhpur jail, he will be transferred to Jodhpur jail, from there to Delhi jail. So you are not going back to the home unless you have further punishments. So one who is coming out of Mumbai jail, again he is going back to the next jail. And on that outside jail, parents are starting, family starting to meet and to say why you have done this. Likewise, when you go out of this human body with your subconscious mind body to the next birth for punishment, again your parents, your godfather, godmother, means original parents, the gods will come to tell you and will show you at the time of birth. We were there, you told, and no, this time I will not work with me. I will not say I or my. I will just play my role in a relaxed mode. You have again done the crime, my son. I cannot do. If someone commits the murder, then what happens? Will parents be helpful? They will just say, we told you, don't get so angry. We cannot do anything. Then the court of law will decide. You are 20 years imprisonment or the life imprisonment or the hanging. Parents cannot do. Same parents will come at last. You are the God, what you say. And then you will be weeping, putting a neck down. And that will be a shameful moment for your life. And that shame will remain for 84 lakh birth. So get rid of that shame to be proud. All should be proud when you stand there in front of Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Guru Nanak, Ram Paraman, Sai, Meera, Sahjo, Lalla, Kabir, Farid, Lao Tse, Socrates, Ibrahim and all. Let all come to celebrate with you. My son is released today. Enlightened means released, free from this dead body. Will not be going to this dead body. His subconscious mind body, all punishments with relax, he has cleared. All his desires are over. So, when there is no desire in the world, when there is no karma left, means you are not in disturbed position in any moment. Let your children studying, not studying, your parents asking, you are not asking you, your son is asking you, not asking, you are individually at home, your wife is beating or abusing, your husband is beating or abusing you, you don't have to eat even. If you are in relax, you are out of this dead body. You are going to the God home, back to home. So, who is dead? You will not die. And if you die, you will come in the birth again. Birth is nothing, battery attached to the mobile. And home birth, the chip comes with the number, with the company name, your name, last birth, all will come on this parda. Now game starts, mobile starts. The mobile expires, chip is out, chip will go to the next mobile. You are not throwing a chip. This is what the game, you have to understand. And attaching to this body is only the ego. Conscious is not yours. Conscious coming by the God, from the God. Body coming from the God. You have not taken any part of this body from anywhere in the world. No one in the world had bought any part of this body from anywhere. Today with the corona, people are dying, no one can make them alive. Let any America, Japan, China, anyone cannot have that dare to make anybody alive. So the important is that life, conscious body which came to the body, they could not catch it. They are beyond and they can never. So this life body is going so away beyond everything. So you are not the conscious body, you are not the dead body. Then who are you? You are I, subconscious mind body. That is you. That is all kachra. That is all that sewerage item you had made. So that sewerage item is what? Body not yours, conscious not yours. You always just put the possession on it that I am the father, I am the husband, I am the wife, I am the mother, I am the daughter, I am the son, I am the PM, I am the CM, I am the star, I am the richest man, I am Tata, I am Ambani, I am Birla. These all subconscious mind body is your ego. In other words, ego gets stored all your worst karma in that role which takes you back in this death world. The moment you understand the outside body is not yours, inside conscious is not yours, then where I stand? Nothing of this body I have purchased anywhere, let it be I am billionaire. What I am speaking, it is not that I can speak. It is one who is making me to speak. So I am not. My speech is not there. His speech is there. So you are always modest and kneeling down in front of that power which works inside you, which goes out your dead body. You cannot speak. And unless you speak, no one understands you. No one asks you to sit on the chair. So I am not the conscious. I am not the body. I am no one. When that I is getting zero, automatically my will go off. Because it is the I who was saying this body and the conscious me. Now if it is not mine, then who is my son? Who is my daughter? Who is my husband? Who is my wife? Who is my mother? Who is my father? Who is my office? Which is my chair? What star? What else? This dead body can make any star. This dead body can be any minister, governor. This dead body can be any rich man. Huh? Dead body. So when you understand it, this is a game. This is a game. I have to just be the observer of complete movie. Being relaxed, just sitting in the theater and watching what is happening. Someone abusing, I must have abused. Something going on, I must have asked for. These all things when comes in front and you understand it, your subconscious mind body start diluting. And at the time of death, what we say, conscious moves, withdraws from this body. That time, if you are clearing everything and being in blank, relax, just watching the body and the conscious mind body, that only comes when you are dissolved in one. Your I, the subconscious mind body, when dissolved in you, the one who had gone beyond the body and beyond the conscious body. Because you need a guide. How can you do it? Without learning, without the coaching of anyone in the world, you could not do even the outside dead things. How could you go to that super conscious mind body without the guide? So you had to find one who had gone beyond the dead body and the beyond conscious body. How can you judge it? If he is beyond any happiness or sadness, he is beyond any birth or the death, he is beyond any respect or the disrespect, he is not attached to the outside world wealth or the respect, all the chairs, his honor, respects and all attractions, he is beyond it. Then you can sit with the one and learn how to go beyond this dead body and the conscious body. So when you dissolve in that one, it is like sitting in somebody's car, enjoying, and he will take you to the destination. You cannot be the driver without knowing the way, without knowing the route. So once you know the route with your driver, with your guide, then one day you will be driver. You will be taking others to the zone. This is the story. One who understands, takes one there, then that over game is over, his film is over, he is going, the next will come on his seat. This is what we say Sadguru Sat Shishya Parampara is going on. The true master and the true disciple. And that is one who is following the one, who is sitting in the chair, back. Wherever you are going, I am with you now. He is diluted. He is not I now. Whatever you do, that is final. My mind will not work, so I become no mind. Your mind is the final. What you command, I am obeying that only. My breath are taking that command. So one who is following, not following, who is just on command of the true master, the one driver who is taking away from this body and the conscious body, is nothing but the devotee. Devotee means devotion. He is so much devoted that he has forgotten the I. Whatever command comes from the you, he is just executing it. So that is what the devotee, who is the complete under command. Under command. Like a Sipahi follows the command of the officer. Officer follows the command of his superior officers in defense. But still in the mind they think, why he is saying this? But in the spirituality, in the Gardam journey, you have to obey without getting disturbed inside. Complete breath should take the command. When you are disturbed inside, this is not that you are executing it. It is of no use. So the devotee, the pure devotee is one who follows the command of his one. That the true master is one who has gone beyond the body and the conscious mind body, whose subconscious mind body is crashed. He is not the sandwich. He is living with the two separate, that conscious watching. One is dying conscious, one is undying conscious, and he is moving. So in that, when you go, your life will be complete bliss. So the one who is under the command of that conscious, superconscious body, he will be getting the same results. So the one who is completely falling is the devotee. The more he is falling, the more he is devotee. The one day will come, the same thing, the same he will become. The true disciple will become as the true master. True devotee will become the true master. Nothing else. So this is what you have to understand. Subconscious mind body is nothing but your ego. Ego is nothing but your subconscious mind body. So when you understand there is no death, then what is good or bad? You are beyond good or bad. You are going back to your home now. Once you understand, you are going back to your home, from where you started. Where all these Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Ram, Krishna, Sai, Meera, Sahaja, Lalla, Kabir, Farid, Lao says Socrates are staying. Will you say it good or bad? What is bad and what is good? Good is your death also, because death makes you to move there. If you were not in this body, how could you go? If you were in animal body, bird body, you could not have gone. So thanks to this body also. The moment you make namaskar to the God idol, the moment you make namaskar to this body, like this, revolt, one day will come. Thali, what you are doing in the worship will move towards you, revert. That time the story is over. So this is thanks to this body, thanks to the conscious body, thanks to the one who had made me to reach out of this body and the conscious body, going back to my home, superconscious body, so that the moments of complete bliss, we say. Bliss means now beyond any happiness or sadness. Thanks to the everything. So you will not be sad. You will not feel bad or good, because you are going beyond. So body and conscious will come from the superconscious. Body and the conscious body are the son, daughter or the son, you can say, of the God, superconscious body. So this is the game between the body and the outside superconscious body, that conscious body, what we say. So conscious body, you can say the female, or outside body, you can say the male. Nothing else. You can take the revolt. The one who is female inside, outside is the male body, conscious. One who is male, he can take the conscious body as the female. So male has to meet the female, female has to meet the male. And understand what actually the story. In between, the subconscious mind body comes, then the lust comes, attachment comes, ego comes, greed comes. These all will just make you separate. Then again, you will be going in divorce. So making divorce means again the lust and attachment, ego and all these things will remain, and you will come back again. So if both becomes one, two bodies, one soul, then that goes to the supreme soul. So this is what the game you have to understand. You have to understand the game of you. Don't try of understanding lawn, tennis, football, cricket, all outside games. Outside games are only for the people, those who remains outside. Those who goes inside, they are just away from outside game. It is not by brain. They are not happy with all these things, cricket, match, football and all. Because they are now enjoying their game. 24 hours game is going on. And they enjoy this game. So when you enjoy your game, you are going beyond the outside games. When you are enjoying within yourself, you are not going for enjoyment with others outside. Because celebrations are going inside. You are going back to your home. You will be in connection with the one. You have to understand that, then the life will be success. So that is a life you have to understand. So death is nothing but your just assumption. It is a dream. So you are dead what you think if you are a body. And you are not dead if you don't think that you are a body. So you are beyond this dead body. So that you have to understand, execute, and make your life bliss. The moment you understand it, your life will be bliss, beyond sadness or happiness, beyond any profit loss, beyond any respect, disrespect, beyond any birth and death. See, then live the life and see that what I am shouting for so many years. That is what I am taking to the point, that is you are beyond the body, beyond the conscious. You are dissolved in one. The deep sea, dive in the deep sea, where complete devotion means bhakt becomes the Bhagwan. Devotee becomes that one who had given all this in the world. Everything belongs to him. So that one comes in the form of a true master. Because all his faces, all the size, every shape, everything is belonging to him. You also belongs to the one. The moment you dissolve in one, you become one. This is what you have to understand and love yourself. When you love yourself, you love all. To love yourself, you have to first dissolve your ego, your subconscious mind, body in you, then only you can be the love. So you have to first love you, then only you can be the love. Because that you will take all, will absorb all your subconscious mind, body. Subconscious mind, body is nothing without all desires, lust, attachment, ego, greed. That all he will take. Your anger and everything. He will absorb everything. You will become pure. Then pure will go into the pure and will remain one, and life will be bliss and success.